Hello guys, welcome to the moment of reality. Like I've promised you, this is the second volume for those of us, some of us that wants to be doing skit, like I've said in the volume 1. And I think I made some analysis and I used a lot of grammars, but I'm going to be sincere with you now. I'm going to open my mind and tell you how I've been doing it. Okay, for a start, I know some of you will be saying, this guy is rude. He's in bed and talking to us. Yes, actually, I'm in bed, not because I'm tired, but because I want to prove a point to you. Okay, I'm actually in bed, but I'm not in the physical bed you're seeing. Is not actually the bed I'm on. So this is one of the ways to prove my point, that whatever you want to do concerning your skit, you must have imagined it in your brain, in your mind first. Then, as you are imagining it, you are getting your location, how you want the stage to be. And what I have done here now, I've imagined it in my brain. So I'm trying to bring it to reality. If you are with me, like I've said before, I'm on bed, but the bed you are seeing is not actually the bed I'm on. So I was able to assimilate, put some things together and manipulate the image. So you must be ready and be able to do that in your skit. So you must have imagined everything in your mind and think of how to manipulate things. Again, which I've mentioned in the volume 1, that your stories, everything you want to, the message you want to pass across, you must have put it down, put it in writing. If it involves more than one person, 2 or 3, you must have write it down. And whoever that will be involved, they should know their roles beforehand. So after putting it down and the stage is ready, there you go. Be on the stage, act. The design of your story, of the color of the picture, everything has to be in a way that your audience will understand what you are trying to say or what you are trying to pass across. So all these have to be noted. I'm not going to give you everything today anyway. I've just tell you the little. You can see the background you are seeing me. It's not actually the real background which I am, but I was able to manipulate. My next point will come on the next volume. So if you've got the time, don't be tired. You are learning and I'm giving it out for free. So you should be patient with me. Join me for the volume 3. Thank you for watching. See you in volume 3.